Hi, if your Samsung phone is acting strangely, apps crashing, freezing, draining battery, or behaving unexpectedly, starting it in safe mode can help you figure out whether a third party app is causing the problem. What safe mode does, safe mode temporarily disables downloaded apps and runs only the phone's core system apps. This makes it easier to test whether the issue is coming from something you installed recently. How to turn on safe mode on a Samsung phone? Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel, then tap the power icon. You can also press and hold the side power button and the volume down button at the same time. Touch and hold the power off icon for a few seconds. Keep holding it until a prompt for safe mode appears on the screen. Select the safe mode option. Your Samsung phone will restart automatically. After the phone finishes restarting, look for safe mode in the bottom left corner of the screen. That confirms it worked. Use your phone normally for a few minutes. If the problems disappear in safe mode, a downloaded app is likely the cause. Try uninstalling recently installed or suspicious apps one by one, then restart your phone normally.